Hello everyone, it's Afa Khalid from all the way Pakistan, Islamabad. Today I'm making this video to all the Russian lover ads in my friend list. It is dedicated to the Russian Literature Appreciation Club. These are the books which are related to Russian literature, whether it is translated in English or in Urdu. So let's get started with Leo Tolstoy. So I have War and Peace, Anna Karenina, and Tolstoy Best Stories. Fyodor Dostoevsky, The Karamazov Brothers, The Idiot, The Devils, here Anton Chekhov, Maxim Gorky, The Mother, Mother translated in Urdu, Ma, these and quite flows the dawn, Mikhail Sholokhov. I have 3 volumes of that book. Short Russian fiction, selected Russian stories, Ivan Turgenev. It's Zulekha. There are some Gabriel Garcia Marquez books. These are Gabriel Garcia Marquez, Spanish. I hope you all enjoy this and you will definitely recommend me some Russian literature books. Thank you.